My name is Ryan Gamble. I'm CEO and founder of Intraratio Corporation. We're a US-based, San Diego-based company. We provide solutions to help solve the challenges of advanced manufacturing today. So it's really about data collection for our customers, really hyper-contextualized data, so they can now run the reports they need to fill their own internal requirements as well as regulatory requirements. And that includes everything efficiency on machines, uptime, looking at how much energy is being used, you know, basically optimizing processes and reducing scrap. So those are kind of the key things. The real focus is really just on the core of the data we're collecting and really what we're able to deliver for our customers. And they are asking that all the time, which is great. Whether it's a partner factories down in Guadalajara or it's over in the UK, particularly Europe is really pushing it. But we're seeing even down in Mexico, they're asking that as well. So it's really, the whole world is really moving towards pushing sustainability as a key thing to drive towards, which is great. Directly, but indirectly from the data collection, particularly when they're bringing in new processes and new technologies, you're dealing with different new solder paste, they're reducing, some of the chemical impacts out there in the environment. So just helping on that NPI, prototyping, validation, the experimental R&D. Our solutions help solve the data collection there too and help accelerate moving to more environmentally friendly type manufacturing additives.